In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix missing ribbon in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, I have this Word document, but the problem is I'm missing the formatting ribbon on top here. And it is so hard for me to make changes or to add any customization on this text. So if you are experiencing or facing the same issue, this is how you can fix it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for this ribbon display option sign here on top, and if you click on it, now you have options here for auto hide ribbon, show tab and commands. So go ahead and click on the last option, and this will go ahead and display the missing ribbon on your Word document. And the good thing, this will be permanent. Even if you go ahead and close this document and open it, you'll have this fixed on top here. So that's how you can fix missing ribbon in your Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.